Choice today with the 2014 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.